Hello everyone. Have you ever had a thought to try hotel style onion uthappam at home? It's a very simple process. Let's see how to do it. I have finely chopped onions. Similarly, I have chopped green chilies also. Add little salt. Mix them and keep it aside. Keep dosa pan on the stove. Once it is hot, just pour 2 ladles of dosa batter over the pan. Don't spread the batter. Now sprinkle the chopped onions generously over the top of the batter and gently press with hand like this. Drizzle a teaspoon of oil around the uthappam. Let it cook on medium flame. After a couple of minutes, flip the uthappam. Cook in medium flame until the onions turn brown. Now you can serve with chutney, idli podi or sambar. Hope you enjoyed this video. Happy eating. Thanks for watching.